At Kid Explorer Club, we get it. We understand how every first mind-blowing experiment, every first adrenaline-fueled race, every first awe-inspiring challenge shapes a child's future. That's why our mission is simple: to unleash your child's boundless potential. We're not just about playing, we're about pushing the limits of what kids can do. Every program is meticulously crafted to foster their innate brilliance and cultivate an unwavering self-assurance that knows no limits. Here at Kid Explorer Club, we ignite the spark of their true self-expression, propelling them towards a future where they fearlessly conquer the extraordinary. We are proud to offer the one and only half-day and full-day pre-K academic and sports enrichment program in the world, right here in Chicago, nestled in the Morgan Park Sports Center. Our little innovators get to play different. We bring together STEM, art, phonics, writing, and a plethora of sports. Ice skating, gymnastics, golf, you name it. Nowhere else can you find a program so perfectly fed to your child's endless possibilities. The Game Changer. You get to choose courses that align with your child's unique interests, whether in sports or academics, to spark their innate curiosity. Here, they will experience different. We make it easy for families too, with convenient pickup and drop-off services and nutritious meals and snacks. You never have to worry about logistics. And for the parents, our Parent 4443 League Club offers support services like emotional intelligence coaching for both you and your child, because a thriving child starts with a thriving family. And yes, we know affordability matters. Financial assistance is available through the Act for Children grant for eligible families. If you're working or in school during program hours, you can take advantage of this program to help offset costs. So, what are you waiting for? We've made it super simple. Just 3 steps. Register your child, pay the deposit, then choose your next step. Click on the AFC application link and we'll send you an electronic form to fill out. Anywhere, anytime, on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Or make your tuition payment right away, whichever suits you best. It's that easy. Don't miss out. Sign up now. But remember, seats are limited. Be the game-changer parent your child deserves. Kid Explorer Club.
Play different, experience different, discover different.